When we're dressed like this, you know we're outside. My name is Naledi and we're in Hammanskraal at Patrico. I'm with
Mr. Albert, plumber.
So Albert, please take us through the process of what products we're gonna need. How big is the Jojo tank that we're installing here today?
First of all, we're installing 5,000 liter Jojo tank. We are using the Jojo tank kit, and also we are using the 32 millimeter plus one pipe, and also we're going to use the water pump of 1.5, and also we're going to use the borehole pump also, because we're going to use the borehole to feed the Jojo tank. Then from there use it to feed in the house.
As you can see, the sun is scorching hot, but we're about to start our installation process. Mr. Albert is going to take us through the whole process now.
First of all, we need to connect the outlet to the pump. Then we connect also the outlet from the pump to the house. As you can see, we set here now. This is the Jojo tank connect kit from the Jojo tank to the pump. Then from there, as you can see, also the guys, they are digging here. They are digging here. We're going to take our outlet to the house from here where they are digging there. So this is the water pump, 1.5 watt, and also we're going to use some galvanized elbows, some male adapter, some elbows, nipple, push, everything.
As you can see, we're digging a trench from the outlet of the Jojo tank into the house. Stay tuned.
As you can see, Mr. Joseph here, he's drilling that one. That's the box for electrical, right? Where we're gonna connect our pump, and also where we're gonna connect our borehole pump. We're putting here a female elbow. This is female elbow, galvanized elbow, 25 by 22. And we have here male adapter. We connect with the elbow. This is the outlet from the pump to the house. Now we're connecting the pipe, the outlet from the pump to the inlet to the house. So now just put this is called float valve. That's controlling water for the Jojo tank from the borehole. When the water this one is for inlet for the Jojo tank. It's controlling the water not too full. Okay, so this pipe is the inlet from the borehole to supply to the tank. Then from when the tank is full, there we have that we installed before, the outlet. This is the borehole pump that's gonna go and connect to the Jojo tank. We are taking a borehole pump. We're going inside with it. Let's go. As you can see, it's going down. The next step here is, as you can see now, the outlet from the borehole pump is already connected to the Jojo tank, which is going to be the inlet from the Jojo tank. So now From there, we're gonna just need to switch on, because it works with electricity. We switch on the borehole pump. Then we're gonna start feeding the water to the JoJo tank. Then from there, it's where now we're gonna also switch on the water pump. That's gonna be the inlet, and we have our outlet. Then from there, from the outlet, then it's gonna go to the house.